Hello everyone! In this video, I'm gonna show you the recipe I followed in making a carrot cake for my father's birthday. To start, prepare your wet and dry ingredients in a separate bowl. All the recipe quantities will be written in the description box below. Mix first all the wet ingredients till all are fully combined. Then, mix together your dry ingredients. This is also the perfect time for you to add the carrots and mix it with the dry ingredients for it to prevent settling at the bottom later. Don't forget to add your nuts and raisins too. After that, go ahead and add your dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. Mix them by hand for you to prevent from overmixing. Transfer the batter to the baking pan and bake it in the oven at 170 degrees Celsius. It took me 60 minutes to bake the batter and have a carrot cake finally!